Alright, so this is the tutorial for the game if you just let it play through without hitting start. And it kind of gives you some basics, teaches you how to play the game. The fighter you're looking at is Bol Bull, the champion of the minor circuit. The reason I wanted to show you this was I'm going to go ahead and do the video of the minor circuit now. But see, this game, every fighter has a strategy, okay? They have a weakness, whether it's their body, their head, rapid punches, super punches, okay? And different types of punches add to your little super gauge down there for your knockout punches, okay? And when you get hit, you also lose off of that gauge. With counter punches, they give you the highest gain on the super meter. And that's a rapid punch.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Fight!
That's a counter punch. Pay attention to that.
WJ! Yay! Fight! One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Fight! One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Knockout! Piece of cake.
I will say I have let him win, and it is funny what he says if you let him win on his little screen when you use your continue. Now this is where you'll see the first fighter with an actual strategy, okay? Because you cannot hit this guy, and you can't block that attack. So you can't hit him in the body, can't block that, so you can only hit him in the head. When they get stunned like that, if you time a knockout punch just right, you can take them down regardless of how much stamina they have left. Automatic knockdown.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Knockout! Piece of cake. Leave the cage.
Notice what he's saying. He can knock you down with it in one hit. If he bull charges you and uppercuts you with it and lands it, it's an automatic knockdown. That's what he was doing at the end of the tutorial.
Ball, ball.
Oops.
One, two, three, four, five, six. Fight! One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Fight!
Every time. Every super move like that has a counter. If you time it just right, it knocks them down automatically. Even the final fighter, Nick Bruiser, has it when he jumps off the top ropes with his flying elbow. It's just very hard to time it, so it's better to just dodge it and then duck the two hooks and use the rapid punches. With Bald Bull, it's just... it's second nature. It's so easy.